everybody. So we're doing a little different activity today, a little bit of a change of pace. So we're unboxing all of the stuff that goes as part of the electrical system and accessories that are going to go in the bus. And so Sophie, my wife, who was really looking forward to getting an Amazon package with her name on it, didn't get any in the last month. So we're going to let her open all of the boxes for the bus instead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So this first one's super heavy, so I'm not going to move it. Batteries.
One battery.
One battery. We're doing both of them?
Yeah.
Another
Two batteries.
Stuck on there. It's really heavy. Alright. Another razor blade. I'll break it down.
Well,
This is sections on the top. This is not an ad.
but you guys can pay us if you want.
We got some papers. It's from Summit Racing. This is another battery thing, dual battery system. I'm not sure what this is.
That's the isolating system, so we'll isolate the car battery from the livable space battery, so it doesn't kill the kill one while it's trying to power the living space.
Got it. Charge it. This looks fun. It's from Greg.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, maybe it's for me. Maybe it's actually for me. From Greg.
Greg who?
I don't know. Greg's wire supply.
That's not for you.
This is wire.
What kind of wire is that?
Green white.
Yep, that's for the all the house stuff. Everything that runs on 120 volt. It's 3-wire.
Should probably keep all those papers. Alright, this is 18 pounds and 8 ounces of wire, I bet. A lot of wire going into the Tin Lizzy. Lots of functionality. Yeah. More of the same wire.
It's not the same.
What's this? What's different?
That's a different gauge, I think.
It's a different size of the same color. This is the big one. Not packaged very well. Wow, getting right in there. This is a microwave.
Good eye.
You got a microwave?
Yep, that's the one was wanted.
Cool. And
Take it out of the box. So all of our unboxing fans can see what we have.
this is for Liz. This is a beautiful microwave. It's really pretty. Hey, this is like a wedding shower. This is Spanish.
That's the relay box for the house. Fuse box for the house.
Fuse box in case you blow a fuse.
So if you tell people what that is.
Black and white. I have no idea.
It's a short power outlet so she can plug in at campsites.
Oh.
50 amp service.
This is.
This is a fuse box for the 12 volt system.
Fuse box.
Ooh. What is that?
New tools. Whoa.
That's a heavy duty wire crimping kit because we've got tons of heavy gauge battery cable
Dang.
in this thing. So we can safely crimp all these wires so they don't escape.
We are opening power inverter. Do I need to open this? Wow. This is 2,000 watts. Looks like it should stay in this bag. And peak. Not an ad. Do you want this in the box still? Take
it out.
It's really hard. These things are such nicely packaged in this box, and he's making me take them all out. This looks like it could be something for me, but it's not. This is
Open one.
I feel like I shouldn't be opening these. These are
They're fuses for the 120
Fuses.
volt stuff.
cool. Wow. Good thing there's boxes on boxes in here. Ooh.
Ooh. Ah.
This plugs in to a power source if you need to plug in.
And what's the attachment for?
In case you have a male end and you need a female end.
No, close though. This allows you to plug into an extension cord at someone's house if you had to stay at somebody's house. And that goes on the other end there, and you can still plug in and charge your bus when you're not using it.
Got it. This these are battery things.
Battery kill switch!
Battery
Yay!
kill switch. Wow, there's a lot in here. This is a box. This is a plug
That looks like an outlet for your anger.
outlet. These are battery cable lugs. Pretty. Like those. Another. Does she want these? These are lights. Wire. More outlets. Multiple.
You need a good outlet for all your energy.
And this, what's this?
This could be good.
This is
Ooh.
wow. This is a speaker cable.
But it's going to be pretty much power cable for everything that is 12 volt in the car.
Cool.
It's 8 gauge. It's a little over designed, but will be extra safe and have plenty of wiggle room for power.
Don't want the bus to explode. Okay. I've already opened the cardboard box. There's a black bag in there.
If only had something sharp to open that with.
Lo and behold, another box. Doesn't tell me what it is yet. This is a rear view camera.
Woo!
I'm gonna leave that in there.
Yeah, leave that all in the box.
Very important device. This looks like...
This guy should have the radio with it too. It has the new radio in there.
the cameras.
Wrong.
No? What is this?
That's a dimmer switch.
Dimmer switch.
Because we got dimmable LED lights for the ceiling.
Wow. I don't even have a dimmer switch in my house.
What we got here?
What are these?
There's our dimmable LED light.
Oh, got 4 of them. They look fragile.
There's actually 8. That's what the other box is.
8 of them. We're gonna leave those in the box. This is the same thing. This, on the other hand,
Something different, possibly?
possibly. Either that or they packaged it weird.
You need to cut the tape before you do that. Or not.
Okay. This is something different. Wow.
What's that look like?
A safe.
That's it's supposed to be like a sealed box for connectors. So we're gonna run the wire connectors that go on the roof. We'll bolt this thing down and then we'll seal around it so we have a dry connector going from the solar panels into the inside of the vehicle.
That's smart. Are you still recording? This is something
Big
important.
breaker.
Big breaker. Main one.
It's gonna be for the heater. So tell them what that is.
This is an air conditioning unit.
And?
Heater.
Yes. How many amps does it draw? How many volts does it take?
Oh, 115.
And it takes about 10 amps to run this guy. So this is going to be the biggest power draw, but this should cool the space and heat the space really comfortably off the batteries and off the solar panels whenever we need to.
This is
Lay it down.
solar panels, right? These are solar panels. We're gonna leave those in the box.
Yep.